mathematics is just about everywhere and in everything.
Did you know that mathematics is present in our daily lives? From managing budgets, measuring ingredients, and many more. Even in nature, it is evident.
Let's discover how mathematics and nature are connected. Mathematics isn't just about patterns, it helps us understand how things work in nature. Nature's patterns aren't just pretty, they show us how things are organized. Consider the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio as examples. They're not just math terms, they come from our observations and interpretations of patterns in the natural world. Before we dig into the Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio, let us first have a quick background of who discovered this theory.
Fibonacci is an Italian mathematician of the Middle Ages.
Fibonacci is the shortened word for the Latin term Filius Bonacci, which means son of Bonacio. His father's name was Guglielmo Bonacio.
The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of two preceding numbers. The Fibonacci sequence shows up all over the place in nature, art, and even how we make our decisions. You can see it in the way the leaves grow on the stem, the shape of a seashell, and how flower petals are arranged. As trees grow, their branches often follow a Fibonacci pattern. For instance, a main tree trunk might split into two branches, then each of those branches might split into two more, and so on, following a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so forth. This branching pattern allows trees to efficiently capture sunlight and nutrients while maximizing stability and structural strength.
The golden ratio, or what we call the divine proportion, is one of the most common mathematical ratios in our nature. So let's take a look at the real-life example of the golden ratio. So as you can see, we have arm here. The forearm to your palm is called the phi. The golden section between the forearm to your palm is 1.618 and also called as the divine proportion.
Mathematics isn't just about numbers on paper. It's a language that nature speaks. It helps us understand the patterns and structures that make up our world, like the branching of trees or the arrangement of leaves. The Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio aren't just mathematical concepts. They're embedded in the very fabric of nature. The spiral pattern of pine cones or the arrangement of leaves on a stem, they all follow these mathematical rules. So next time you're out in nature, take a closer look. You might just uncover the hidden math that makes our world so beautiful and intriguing.
To conclude, mathematics plays a significant role in our daily lives and is evident in human activities such as managing budgets, measuring ingredients, and in natural phenomena.